Lizzie, say hi. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Wave.
Hi.
How old are you? Are you 2?
2.
You're 2?
Yeah.
Yes, you are 2 years old.
Lizzie. I see Lizzie.
You say, what's your name? Say what your name is. Say Lizzie.
Lizzie.
And you're 2 years old?
Old.
2 years old.
2 years old.
Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday.
Okay, let's sing happy birthday.
Don't light the gardens on fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lizzie. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Keep blowing. Okay, here we go. Gotta sing again. Sing real soft, right? Sing real soft. Okay. Okay, let's sing happy birthday.
No, Riley.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lizzie. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Keep blowing.
That feels good.
Try again. Ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Mom!
Yeah.
Hey. Come here. Oh.
Okay, throw it at Mommy. Oh, you got Mommy. You got Mommy.
Yeah.
Are you getting cold?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if that was recording. Now this is though.
Yeah.
New PK snack, bacon and cheese on flame broiled beef.
Oh my god! Look how big that is!
That's pretty big.
It has 4 hamburgers. It's a 4 double-decker.
It'll clog your arteries.
Somewhere between saying goodbye and coming home.
What's so funny?
Tyler.